Hey girl, hey! Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do this eyeshadow right here. I use this on my crease so that the two colors will blend easily there. This color right here is called Passion, and I use this all over my crease and blended it upwards. This color called Forever, and it is such a deep color on most of the lid to make it smoky. The shadow that I'm using for my inner corner is from the Morphe 350 Shimmer palette. Third one here up at the top. It is very shimmery, champagne color. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Toodles! Mwah.